Ever wondered how industries adapt during challenging economic times? As we navigate the intricate landscape of a recession in 2023, certain professions are emerging as unexpected stars. In this exploration, we'll delve into the current state of the world's economy and shed light on 5 untouched professions that have the potential to thrive amidst the recession. Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're venturing into the uncharted territories of recession-era career opportunities. If you're curious about the shifts happening in the job market and want to discover untapped professions that could boom, you're in for an enlightening experience. So, let's embark on this journey together as we examine the ways in which the world is confronting recession in 2023. How world is under recession in 2023, a global snapshot. Before we dive into the untapped professions, let's take a snapshot of how the world finds itself under the shadow of recession in 2023. Economic slowdowns, decreased consumer spending, and disrupted supply chains have led to a complex web of challenges across industries. Despite these hurdles, innovation and adaptability are lighting the path forward. Governments and businesses are reevaluating strategies to ensure resilience and sustainable growth. Untouched Profession 5, Sustainable Energy Experts. In a world prioritizing environmental consciousness, sustainable energy experts are stepping into the limelight. As governments and companies commit to eco-friendly practices, the demand for professionals who can devise and implement renewable energy solutions is on the rise. From solar energy specialists to experts in wind and hydroelectric power, these individuals hold the keys to a greener and economically viable future. As industries seek to reduce their carbon footprint and energy costs, sustainable energy experts are poised to play a pivotal role. Untouched Profession 4, E-commerce consultants. The digital revolution is steering business strategies, making e-commerce consultants indispensable. While traditional retail may face challenges during a recession, the online marketplace continues to expand. E-commerce consultants are guiding businesses in establishing and optimizing their online presence, enhancing user experiences, and implementing effective digital marketing strategies. As consumers pivot to online shopping, these consultants are driving the transformation of traditional businesses into successful digital enterprises. Untouched Profession 3, Mental Health and Wellness Coaches. Recessions often bring about increased stress and anxiety, making mental health and wellness coaches more relevant than ever. Amid financial uncertainties and job insecurities, individuals seek guidance and support to navigate emotional challenges. Mental health and wellness coaches provide coping mechanisms, stress management techniques, and a supportive environment for individuals striving to maintain mental well-being. Their role extends beyond therapy, helping people build resilience and thrive amidst adversity. Untouched Profession 2, Supply Chain Resilience Manager. The disruption of global supply chains has underscored the need for supply chain resilience managers. Recessions can trigger shortages and disruptions in the flow of goods, highlighting the importance of creating robust and adaptable supply networks. These professionals analyze vulnerabilities, implement contingency plans, and forge partnerships to ensure seamless operations even in the face of economic uncertainties. Supply chain resilience managers are the architects of stability in an otherwise unpredictable landscape. Untouched Profession 1, Remote Work Facilitator. Remote work has transformed from a temporary solution to a permanent fixture in many industries. Remote work facilitators are emerging as key players in managing distributed teams, fostering collaboration, and maintaining productivity. As businesses reevaluate their office spaces and work structures, these professionals are instrumental in ensuring smooth communication, efficient workflows, and a sense of unity among remote teams. Their expertise bridges geographical distances and strengthens the fabric of the modern workforce. As we navigate the complexities of a recession, these untouched professions offer a glimpse into a future where adaptability and innovation lead the way. They highlight the resilience of industries and individuals alike, showcasing how the world responds to challenges with creativity and resourcefulness. Thank you for joining us on this journey through the unexplored territories of recession-era professions. Remember, even in the midst of challenges, opportunities for growth and innovation abound. Stay tuned for our next exploration, where we'll delve into another captivating topic that shapes our ever-changing world. Thanks for watching.